Just wait a couple more seconds. Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on my Wild Bunch Cards with Robin workshop. And one of the things that we featured is kind of like masking, but I think it's masking for cheaters. But I like it because it also adds dimension, and dimension is awesome. So I just wanted to quickly show you two ways to add some dimension that could technically be masking, but is more fussy cutting. So if you want to put your critters on the card and then cut one more, you would cut him out. And this is a good way to be reminded of cutting tips. Number one, it's easiest to cut if you leave a little white space. Number one, when we die cut, there's always a white space. And I kind of, when I cut, I make mine look like it was die cut. It also kind of evens out the cutting that you need to do to make it a little simpler. And then you can see that my left hand is doing the turning while my right hand is kind of staying steady, and that will keep your right hand from getting too tired. So once you're done coloring this, you just add some dimensionals to the back of this. And now he is standing in front of the other two penguins. So how cute is that? Very, very easy, fast, and simple. And then kind of similar, but different, is our little bowl technique. So we have one bowl that lives in the circle. He's very happy in the circle. Oh, my craft tables probably have a thing. So one thing you can do is kind of move it around to even it out. There we go. Or stamp it in another place. So on this one, I don't want to leave a space because I'm going to put him directly up on top of the little bowl behind him. And I only want to pop the headpiece. So not only that, I'm going to cut the ears off and I'm going to cut the horns off because I only want his cute little face to be on there. And I'm also going to cut off anything that hangs out above. So I try to cut in the middle of the black line because I know then that I'll have some black line, but there'll also be a black line on the design below it. And so when you put your little foam squares on this guy and put him up above, his face is literally in front of his body and his horns. And so it's super cute. And it's a really easy way to cheat at masking and paper piecing because you're only doing a little bit. So you can see his little ears and his horns are below. And you can see this guy is in front of everybody else. So I love it. I love doing this. And then you only have to cut out some of the images. So lots of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.